Hey guys, quick video for you. If your DJI Osmo Pocket 3 SD card is not working, this is the post that I found on Reddit. Maybe it's going to be helpful to you. So please ensure that the firmware has been updated to the latest version. And please back up the files of the SD card and then format the micro SD card. You want to mount this micro SD card to another device such as computer or mobile phone and determine if it can be read. Please check if SD card is the recommended micro SD card list. And this is like the recommended, like from the Samsung, and you see right here if you actually have SD card like that. Another thing that you can try to do is you can try to like reset it. So you can like press and hold the record button for 10 seconds to force shutdown on your DJI Osmo. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.